Tuesday, June 16th, and I haven't done a video in a while, simply because of the fact there hasn't been really much activity. Dad has been busy gardening and fishing and just enjoying this warmer weather. They're spending some time cleaning up the yard. He took a couple side jobs. One is worked on his buddy Gary's trailer, and he got that completely serviced. And then we got an airboat out in the yard, and there was somebody else came by with a boat. But we got the one boat out of the yard. Airboat still needs to be worked on, and then the trailer's out the yard. So last couple days they've been busy back on the 1971 wide gauge here. And I think the last time I talked to Dad, they were working on the power steering. And I can see just from here, everything is installed. I don't think the electronic guts of this has been installed yet because they got no electronics. So kind of pointless putting it in. But they're continuing just doing the repairs and getting this back put together. And but Aidan and Dad have been bonding heavily here on fishing and gardening. And so a little bit of extra progress. I know the one thing that they have been working on here is the diff. And we had to get the diff seal in from the supplier here in town. So have we got the diff seals and all the bearings and everything?
We've still got a problem here, but we've got to check that out.
Okay, so diff is still being worked on, and
It's tight.
okay, it's tight. And then once they get that sorted out, it'll go back in, but they still got to get everything back on the machine so that they can roll it out for the last sandblast and cleaning here. But one of the things Aidan did or progressed on the other day was fitting all the insulation for the ceiling here. I think that's all been cut now, so it'll be able to go into place once they finish the other pressure washing and cleaning. And Aidan, anything that you can add on to the video here?
I don't know, did your dad explain what was wrong with this?
No, other than it's not perfect.
Well, you can turn it with the yoke,
Yeah.
but you can't turn the axles.
Okay.
Take that tire off the road. Because first thing in the morning we'll let this down and push it ahead so we can get the airboat in.
Okay, so we're doing airboat work here in the morning. And then luckily Aidan and I cleaned up around that area there last week. Old Charlie's in the shop having his treats because it's too damn hot for an old dog outside right now. And he likes the cool weather or cool floor. And so the guys are going to move this stuff around here. Go check in on my pecker-headed dog, the chicken killer. So the neighbor's cattle got into the yard, stomped out Dad's garden, and she hated that. So she went to another neighbor and she killed 16 chickens just to make sure everybody knows their place. So lucky she didn't get shot, but she's back at the shop now, and I've been pulling a few ticks off of her, but the little one seems to be fine with ticks. Got some hot weather around here, guys, some rain. Grass is growing, but everything's manageable around here right now. And there's Taylor. So we're going to let these guys do some visiting around here, and then we'll check back in later on. Okay, end of day task here while I was visiting with Dad's buddy Taylor. The boys got the Bombardier moved up a little bit here, and the diff is alongside of it. And the reason they had to move it up is it's the first time that's moved in a month though, is they got to bring in one of the airboats here tomorrow, or the airboat that's outside. So they got more cleaning over here they got to do, but this is all off the dunnage right now, and so it'll stay here until we can move it out. But it's moved up. They'll do a bunch of cleanup in the morning, and but this is what this is like without the shocks in right now, and all the extra tires, so that's how low it's riding. But they might be able to do some more of that sanding on the top there. Anyways, little dog is excited about the move there, and the cat is just doing the cat thing over there, and Emily's looking for more treats, and Charlie's laying out by the horse trailer. So that's it for today, guys. End of day treats for the old dog and Emily. 4 dogs for breakfast and only 2 for afternoon snacks. So I got chicken strips, marrow bones, yummies. Everybody's happy. Dad's away for a few days. I'm at the shop here. Old Charlie, he didn't want to eat today. I don't know what's going on with him. He had 1 piece of his grub. Emily ate a full plate of food, and then we're just going to walk down the river. Barely wanted to move out of the driveway, but he's going to go down to the river for a walk. Hey, old dog, come on, you can do it. Well, he made it down to the river. See if he goes into the water at all. Emily's leading the way here. They're both going to have a bit of a waddle in here. Old dog's just drier than hell. Hey, look. Well, my dog's a bit of a stick dog. Yeah, she's done now. I smelled something around here, maybe a groundhog. Charlie's already run to the back. Oh, he just ran like a puppy to his dog food dish and was huffing and growling at Emily. So he needs to sit there and guard it now. Maybe that's all he needed, was just a quick trip down to the river for some water and some exercise. Oh, we're sure lucky to have an old Charles in charge. And we got a hammer-headed cat here too.